Hi, so we're now here in the Studio City. So, so later we're gonna visit the hotels, yung mga ano dito, attractions nila. Mga pang picture-picture. So, wait and see. Hi guys, so we're now here in the Studio City. So our next stop is the Parisian. So come and have a look. Yan. So hindi pa ako nakakapunta sa Paris. So dito na lang muna ako mag-Eiffel Tower, 'di ba? So later we're gonna do some konting photoshoots lang there. So see you. See you. So guys, nakita nyo naman sa background, may kawawang babae. Siya yun. Kasi, anong oras ka umalis ng Manila?
1 a.m.
Oh, 1 a.m. Tapos, diretso kami ng Macau. Oh, diba? So, yung mukha niya, ganyan na.
Naka-antihistamine pa ako.
Yes, in-allergy pa siya sa plane.
Puro ko yung bigta na.
Kawawa naman. Ay, ang ganda na ganda. Yan na, nagpa-practice na kami na. Nagpa-practice na po kami ng shots namin, ng poses namin.
Kaya mo po, mama, na pang
At ito nga po pala si Joy. Uy, ang ganda mag-picture dito. Paano mag-picture dyan? Testingin mo muna sa phone. Dito ba? Sa ano?
Vlog takeover. So right now, may team si ate. I'm handing the video. Joke. Actually, Luke is handing the video and photo. So kung makikita nyo.
Practice muna.
Ay, ang ganda.
May film, no?
Hindi. Ang ganda, ate.
Ha? Talaga?
Ganda. Wait lang.
Anong gano'n, no? Pang tour guide. Follow Luke, nakalagay. To follow me. So we're now here at the Parisian. So ito yung kanilang famous lobby and oh my gosh, I'm amazed. Look at it, oh. Diba? Parang na rin ako nag-Paris. Paris for a day. So, oh my gosh. Yun yung gusto ko. Ang ganda. Okay, so I'm overwhelmed kasi I'm a fan of European architecture. So, ito agad yung na-capture ng eyes ko pagpasok namin. So, can you show them? Oh, ang ganda. So, I'm looking for Napoleon Bonaparte. Char. Ito natin yung pinuntahan nyo na ano? Na...
May picture kayo, ma'am? 2.5 po.
2.5! 250 na lang. Ano magandang shot?
Wait lang. Sa kanya ka
Wait lang ah. Tingin ka sa akin. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so kung sa Taipei, Taichung, and Kaohsiung, nag-temple hopping kami and pagoda hopping. Dito naman, hotel hopping. So, one hotel down, let's go to the next.
3, 2,
We're now here in
Ma'am, okay lang po ba kayo?
Sige po. Talo ko sa kasi.
Talo na talo. Walang pang uwi.
Hi guys! Welcome to Londoner and meet my lolo. Here's my lolo. Actually, sinasandalan ko lang siya kasi pagod na ako.
Ano siya? Matigas siya?
Oo.
So, how's Macau so far?
I'm overwhelmed by Macau. Ang dami kasing hotels, ang daming makikita. Nag-try din kami mag-casino and my sister won 100. Yes.
Magkano nilabas?
100 din. Bumalik lang.
Balik tayo. So, saan tayo next?
We're going to Venice. So, from Paris to London, now to Venice.
Yeah!
Kita nyo ba yung mata ko? Pagod na! Welcome to Macau! So, welcome to the old Macau. So, 15 minutes away lang siya from the hotels na pinuntahan natin kanina. So, we're gonna go to the ruins. So, let's go. welcome to the ruin. Ay, ano to? Picture?
Video.
Video. Ay, wala na ako sasabihin. So now we're going to try. Galing.
Si ate. Wait.
Sige po. So now we're going to try the Portuguese egg tarts. So these are famous here. So first time ko to. So let's try.
Unang kagat. Portugal agad.
Unang kagat parang leche flan. Sarap.
Unang kagat. Si, senyor!
Si.
Si Merimo! Maximo! Bellissimo!
Yun. Hi guys, so we're now at the Pacific Place Mall. So we're gonna have coffee on tea lang pala for me. Bawal ako ng coffee here. So we're gonna have coffee and tea here. So this is Ralph's Coffee, the Ralph Lauren coffee shop. Wow.
We're riding the ferry. This is how the ferry looks like. Wow. Go see. Wow. Wow.
Gusto meron din sa loob. You can go sit there then, sa loob.
Ito yung part ng vlog mo na yung ganito lang pero yung walang music tapos ikaw yung magsasalita. I realized that in my life, yung ganun, diba? Kita nyo yung mga yan?
Lupay ng papa ko.
Ang ganda naman ng weather.
Hi guys, so we're now at the Hong Kong Cultural Center. So according to our tour guide Luke, so yan, mamimit nyo na si Luke Knows. So he's a local here by the way. So this is in TST, so the Hong Kong Cultural Center. So we went here via the ferry. So we came from Central. We rode a 5-minute ferry ride. We had a 5-minute ferry ride going here. And the ferry cost is around only 5 Hong Kong dollars. So, very worth it. So, later on, makita nyo yung mga na-videohan ni Tin na sites. So, see you later.
So you're kind of walking, parang nakatingin ka sa sky.
According to our local, the Luke knows. The Luke knows our local tourist guide, Luke. So, this is the Victoria Harbor. So, see the view.
Oh, yung aming local ay si Luke. How many years ka na, Luke?
I've been here since I was born, so 30 years na sa Hong Kong.
30 years. So, alam niya na yung age niya? 30 years old. So, siya dito talaga siya lumaki. That's why familiar na familiar siya.
Nice.
Resta ng wrist?
Oo, ito.
Grabe naman yung art ngayon. Touchscreen na.
Brush rest. Buti ba yung brush nagre-rest? Sana all nagre-rest. Okay, so this painting is called the Victoria City and Harbor. So, pinapakita niya yung old Hong Kong. So, as you can see, ganun pa din siya in a sense. Napalitan lang siya ng buildings. So, pinapakita dito na tingnan nyo, nagtitrade. Diyan yung trading nila, yung harbor. Ayan.
Actually, tinitrade nila
Actually,
dati tea leaves from the UK and for exchange for
Opium, yes. Doon nagsimula yung Opium War. Yes. Madami ng addict no.
Pero, i-fact check natin yun baka
Oo. Pero hindi kami reliable source. Yun lang based on mga naalala sa history lessons. International studies pa naman ako. Ako yung teacher ko, baka nakikinig. Kasi nalabisi si Kuya.
Appreciate.
Pag uminom ka dyan, alam mo, Huwag niyo ako ipakita sa... diba? Sino absent? Galing na. So, welcome to the K11 Mall.